Hey everybody, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about this product. This is the Hanna Müller Collagen Boost Repair Cream. This is what it looked like. It's very light, very creamy, very smooth. They come with a little spoon thingy that you can use to get it out. As you can see, the consistency is very loose. It looks thick, but it's not. I put a little bit on my face like this. I usually just use the little spoon to apply it. And I usually just apply it in these areas because these are my dark circle areas. My pores are pretty big here. And I want to get rid of these dark circles. So, and then I use my fingers to just rub it in. And it basically makes my face so smooth and shiny, very moisturized and plump. I usually put this on at night before I go to bed. And I wake up and my face looks exactly like this still. This product is beautiful. I love this product. It only cost me about $6. So if I was you, I would go get it. Look how I got my face. The glow. See, look at this. Look at this. Do I need to say any more? Do I need to say much? It's lightweight, creamy, and it has you glowing. Go get you some. You can find it in my Amazon storefront.